Hi, everybody. Happy holidays. Welcome to Life Hacks, another episode of Life Hacks where I help you grow. And for today's episode, we'll be talking about how to move forward in life. There are only three ways in order for you to move forward in life. Number one, you have to think positive. You have to know your worth. What is your worth as a person? Think about what value you give to people. Second, love yourself. Always know that no people or no person can complete you, but you should already feel that you are complete. And then number three, you have to write down your goals. What are the things that you want to accomplish in life? And then execute them. That's all. Bye.